2, 3. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alina Baby Kamazdan. My entry number is 01 PPM 24F 2014.
Alright, today I would like to solve the practical exercise 1 questions. So for question 1A, it asks us that we need to construct the data set in the Excel and show the scatter diagram of the data. So in Excel we need to copy back the data from the question, and it is observation data and row and data, monthly income and monthly expenditure. And then we need to add another 3 column and rows, of course, and it is xy, x square and y square. After all that, we need to sum monthly income, monthly expenditure, xy, x square and y square. After that, all that, we can go to the next step by making the scatter diagram of monthly income and monthly expenditure. Just select the monthly income and monthly expenditure row and columns, and then insert and go to the scatter diagram, and you just choose this. Alright, from the scatter diagram we can see the relationship between income level and monthly expenditure is perfect positive linear correlation. Now the question B, it asks us to calibrate the relationship between the income level and monthly expenditure by using Pearson product moment correlation coefficients. We need to find the before value, and we just type the formula in the Excel, and it is equal in bracket 12 times E6 minus B16 square 2 times in bracket 12 times F16 minus C16 square 2, and we get this value. Next, we need to find the after value. This formula equal 12 times D16 minus B16 times C16, and we get this value. Now, to find this value, this particular value, we need to square this value, and we will get this value. Now, we have this both value, so we need to divide both, and we get this value. Now, strength and value. Relationship between income level and monthly expenditure is very strong positive correlation, and it is 0.5 until or to 1.0. So for question C, it asks us to display the trend line to visual the relationship between the income level and monthly expenditure. To solve this question, it has the same step for scatter diagram of monthly income and monthly expenditure. This one, you just go to the just select the monthly income and monthly expenditure column and row, and go insert and choose scatter diagram of it. Yeah, this one, and then you can put the graph wherever you want, and the difference between that scatter diagram and this trend line graph or diagram is they has a equation, and the title of the diagram or graph is trend line. Also, from the visual you can see it has a dotted line, and you can as you can see, the question C has been solved, and this is the proof. So for question D, it asks us to display the equation of the least squares regression by using Excel. So equation of least square regression, we must first find R, and its formula is n sum xy minus x sum x times sum y divide square root in bracket and sum x square 2 minus in bracket sum x square 2 in bracket and sum y square 2 minus sum y square 2, and we will put the value on in the formula, and we get the value of r, and it is 1 or 0.996. Now we will find the value of b, and its formula is n sum xy minus sum x times sum y divide n sum x square 2 minus in bracket sum x square 2, and we also put the value inside the formula, and we get the value of b, and it is 0.705. Now we must find the value of a, where the formula is sum y divide n minus b in bracket sum x divide n. Put the value of it inside the formula, and we get the value of a, and it is negative 19.08. From that we can make an equation of y, and it is 17.42 plus 0.705x. For the last question to be solved, it asks us to measure the prediction of monthly expenditure if one with income of Rm 10,000. Alright. If monthly expenditure is 10,000 ringgit, we're using the same equation of y, and it is y equal to negative 17.42 plus 0.705x. So we insert the value of x that been given by the question, and it is 10,000, and we get the value of y, and it is y equal to 7032.58. So that's all the question that been given in the practical exercise, and as you can see, we already solved all of it. So thank you.